Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Macy. If you guys don't know me, I go to San Diego State, I make videos. You should subscribe. But it is Saturday morning and I just really want to have a productive day. So I'm gonna vlog it to like hold myself accountable, because if I'm vlogging it, I'm gonna want to get it done. But I'm in the parking lot of SoulCycle right now because I bought a pack of like 3 classes a while ago and I have 1 more left and I'm gonna do it today. I'm really sad because I'm like obsessed with SoulCycle, but it's okay. After this, I'm in La Jolla and they have like my favorite coffee shop. So I'm gonna go do homework there. I have lots to get done and I'm like not letting myself go back to school until it's finished. We'll see if that happens. I just want to be productive today and get my nails done and clean and do lots of stuff. So you're gonna come with me and it's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys inside SoulCycle. That was so hard. Oh my gosh. I'm so sweaty. It's okay. So just got out of SoulCycle. I washed my body there and did my makeup and everything. I didn't wash my hair because I was like, oh, I'll bring dry shampoo and a hair straightener, but it is like drenched with sweat and dry shampoo is not going to save that. But I checked and right next to Phil's Coffee where I'm going, there's a dry bar. So I think I'm gonna treat myself and get my hair blown out, because if you saw in my last vlog, my natural hair is crazy and when it's straight, it is like a special occasion. So you know what? I'm gonna treat myself. This will last like a few days, so I'll see you guys there if there's openings. I don't even know how it works. Okay, bye-bye. Change of plans. Dry bar is all booked for the day, but if they have any openings, they're gonna call me. So I'll be next door at Phil's doing homework. So that's the new agenda. Okay, I just got done doing homework at Phil's, and honestly, I did not get as much done as I was hoping to, but it's okay because I finished my econ homework and that's not due till tomorrow, so I'm like responsible and got it done ahead of like the deadline, because usually I'm like rushing super last minute. But the main thing that I needed to work on was my essay for my like rhetoric argument writing class, and I just did not get too much done on that. It is such a hard prompt for me to like grasp and understand. No matter how many times I sit down to get it done, I just like cannot focus. But I have like 3 pages of it done, so I'm off to a decent start. But tomorrow I'll be in the right mindset to like grind on the essay. I don't know what'll be different tomorrow, but like I'm ready to focus. And then also I have a huge stats test on Thursday that I'm gonna start studying for tomorrow. So I got like the littler things done today, but there's still a lot of homework that needs to be done. But now I'm gonna head back to school so I can get my nails done, car wash, laundry, clean, and everything else that I've been putting off for a while. If I woke up and I called it quits, I could get you back tomorrow.
Use the right lane to take exit 26 to merge onto California 52 East.
And that's true. I just got my nails done and I'm actually obsessed with them. I've never gotten black before because I was always like, that's way too edgy for me. I can't do that. That was like too crazy. But the girl next to me had matte black and it looks so nice and not too like goth or anything. I was gonna get my car washed, but it's getting dark and I don't want to go alone. So I'm gonna get some gas because I didn't put much in last time. And then hopefully Peyton will come with me tomorrow. If you guys are wondering why I'm by myself today, it's because like my 3 friends are busy. So we're just having ourselves a day, okay? Let's go back to school so I can do laundry and clean. I don't know how to vlog and carry this laundry basket at the same time. So I'm gonna see you guys down there. And if there's not a machine open, I'm gonna lose it, but it's okay. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. The machine I just put all my clothes into was broken, so let's try this again. don't know if you can tell, this is literally all water on the floor. And I dropped like all my clothes in this dirty laundry room water, trying to switch them from the machine that was broken to a working one. And it took me 4 tries, so. Good morning, friends. I am self-conscious about it now.
What? I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
My brother told me that he likes how I always say good morning, friends, but then that kind of made me insecure about how I always say good morning, friends. But that was one of the most frustrating laundry experiences I've ever had. There were like, every time I put my clothes in a washer, it was broken. So then I'd have to pick up all my clothes and move it. Then I kept dropping the clothes like in between the switches, and the floor was wet, and it was just not the ideal situation, but it's okay. It's the next day, I'm not frustrated anymore. And we're gonna go to a coffee shop to do homework because we live in the like coffee shop capital of the world, and I've never been to like any, so that's what we're gonna do. I still have lots to get done, but I feel like I'm always gonna be saying that, so I just gotta deal with it. But before I get ready or do any of that, our room is an absolute like disaster right now. I'm embarrassed to show it, but you know what? We're gonna clean it really quick and then we will get this show on the road. So let's go. We're taking out the trash. This is the glorious part.
Adulting right now.
Really? Okay, life hack, do not breathe when you open up the trash room.
I love when it's empty.
Okay, our room is all cleaned and we're all ready, and we're gonna go do homework at a trendy coffee shop because it's just something about being there rather than the library that makes me hate schoolwork a little bit less. Not really, but anyways. Also gonna get my car washed today, clean our room a little bit more, and put away laundry, but for now we've been very productive. Okay, kick it. There you go. Just really trying to flex my new nails. Oh, which floor? Oh, sorry. Guys, look how pretty my roommate is. I think there's a church nearby. You are already gone. We just got here. We're at Manicure. Let's get Peyton in there. We're at Manicure Coffee. I think we're close to Point Loma because my girl Sammy, who goes to Point Loma, I replied to her story one time and I was like, where is that? And it was here. So I'll give you guys a little tour because I'm getting major like artsy coffee shop vibes. So Sammy told me about this coffee shop. I literally ran into her here. Oh my gosh. You haven't even been in the vlog. Isn't that so cool? It's really hard not to look at yourself. I'm trying really hard to like focus like looking here instead of up there. Like, tell? Is there like a big difference? I don't think you can tell, but like, yeah, she goes to Point Loma. She's from my hometown, SCV, hashtag. You don't like it?
SD is so much better.
Yeah, it's way better here. Look at this coffee shop. Thank you so much for showing me.
So cool.
I just think that's so weird that I literally told the vlog about you and then now she's here.
I'm so excited to see this now.
Alright, all of Sammy's Point Loma friends, you better subscribe now because she's in it. Click that button. Oh, was that so hard? We're just headed back to the car now. Remember yesterday when I was like, I physically cannot type my essay. It's too hard. I'll be in the right mind space tomorrow to write it. That didn't really happen. Well, okay. I definitely made progress on it. It's just still so hard, and that didn't change from yesterday. I was just expecting the prompts to get like easier, but that didn't happen, which was kind of weird. Also, this is a wedding venue right here. Should I vlog? That's so cool. Oh my gosh, she was just staring at me. There was a wedding going on. We're gonna head back to school now. I'm gonna get my car washed because it's not looking too good. It's just not the best it's looked. Is that your phone? Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
In her feels.
RIP.
Oh, there's a guy there. Okay, we're at the car wash now. I'm embarrassed. Can you just hold it? Hello.
got a car wash today.
Can I see the $6 one?
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
My hair looks like 70s right now.
It's so hard to go to car washes that aren't Dapper Dan's. If you know, you know.
I can Santa Clarita.
Yes, it's amazing.
Really?
It's so good. Like, I literally am like attached to Dapper Dan's. That was one of the hardest parts about leaving for college, and they're all so nice. Like, Dapper Dan's employees like treat me better than anyone. My car is so messy. My dad would be so disappointed in this windshield. Dad, don't worry, I'm taking care of it. He would always wash my windshield before driving, and there's no one to do that here. And I don't like going to the gas station by myself, so we're just on the struggle bus. My windshield is the cleanest. Oh my gosh, even this looks clean. Like,
Wow.
look at this.
Nice.
I'm so shocked. My car just looks so nice. Look how clean this is. Okay, we're gonna vacuum right now. As Peyton said, oh, we're going clean. Yeah, we are. I told you this vlog is me getting my life together, kinda. I'm making Peyton film my car just because it's clean. Oh, there's a car. Thank you. Car tour?
Car tour.
I hate when people do car tour videos. It's a car. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
When YouTubers buy like Range Rovers and they're like, car tour. Like, so this is my glove compartment.
The windshield, like, it looks like there's nothing there.
I can see.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Oh,
right
look
here.
at the sunset.
I should have done this so long ago. Look how nice this is.
It looks so good.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this. We're just gonna videotape my whole way back to school because it's so clean.
Oh
We
my
should
God.
open up the sunroof.
The sky.
We're gonna tell you guys juicy secrets because I just feel like we're on that level now. Do you guys want a video of like juicy drama?
The tea.
The tea on San Diego State.
Oh my
Because
God.
we could do that.
Okay, the real tea though. If you live in UT, you're basically never eating.
Has a restaurant, or what would you call it? It has a food place.
Yeah, like
below.
a little, yeah.
It's super nice. We have it during the week, but on the weekends it closes super early. So we're literally just left hungry for dinner. And I'm not being dramatic.
Like if I want to go eat dinner, I'm gonna have to walk
Really far.
like 20 minutes.
if you
Depends on where
walk
wanna
with a purpose, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not the best area to walk by yourself.
Exactly.
Sometimes I'm just really wanting Rubio's, but I don't want to walk 20 minutes. That's the tea.
Yeah, that is the
That's,
tea.
that's the tea. Here's the tea. People in San Diego cannot drive at all.
Oh,
I was like,
yeah.
oh, I've grown up around Los Angeles. I can handle that. I can drive. No. People are actually awful here. And every parking spot is the size of my pinky that I just got done yesterday. Look at my nails. Here's the tea. That bathroom that we were in today at the coffee shop was too pretty to not post an Instagram photo in, so that's what we did. I posted an Instagram photo. Slight promo, go follow me. I do giveaways every single day. Today I gave away a MacBook.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding, that never happened. I love this sound. Ready? This is ASMR.
Get out of the car and then we'll go back in. And
Okay. Let's do it.
Bye guys.
Bye. See you in the morning and the camera's gonna run all night. Hey guys, we're back. What if I had a video and we're just in the back the whole time talking and there's no one in the front?
Q&A. Roommate tag. That'd be so
I'm getting major
comfortable.
Step Brothers vibes. Oh my gosh, this is 8 minutes long.